Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about C program to compare two strings. Next I'm going to discuss about driving method of this program. So first I'm going to start with header file about stdio.h, a standard input output header files. So I used because printf function gets function definition written inside of stdio.h header file and conir.h header file, so getch function definition written inside there. And I used a string header file because strcmp predefined function definition written inside of string.h header files. Now after control comes to main function, here after that will go inside. At here I have taken two array type variable a and next b. So first I'm going to check give equal string, like I'm going to give a r and m. Add here also a r and m. So first to enter the first string, so that will go to a gets a function because I'm using gets function. Or second that will go to b. So at here strcmp. So a value is now arm and b value is now arm also. So double equal to 0. So this condition is satisfied. So that will go inside and print both are equal. And if condition is true, then that will not go to the else part. Here that will come. So that will take one input from the keyboard, and after that, that will terminate the output screen. And so this is the first method where we can check both strings are equal or not. So here if I give I and that will compare, I'm using strcmp. So A value is now ARMI and comma B value is now ARM. So that will not equal to 0. So what will happen? That will go to the else part. And at here, I will get uh, output screen both are not equal. Now next I will discuss to one more method to find out strings given strings are equal or not. Now I'm going to give a detailed description about this program. So first, there are two header files there. First is has to include stdio.h and has to include coney.h. So in my previous video, I give a detailed description about the two header files. Now here I've taken integer tag, uh, user defined function name com underscore str and have two parameter, that is array type. Now next is the void main, that is the entry method. So there, that will go inside. At here I've taken integer type flag value. So first integer type flag and two character type array type of variable. First is a and second b. So input first string. So first string I'm going to enter JSON. So that will go to a and input to second string. So that will go to b JSON. Now at your flag equal to com underscore str a comma b. So that will call com underscore str a comma b function. Now control comes to this position. So first I'm going to enter at your JSON and JSON both I enter. So that will receive also JSON and JSON. Now one control comes to next I, and while check a of I double equal to b of I. So first I'm going to do indexing. This is 0 position, 1 position, 2 position, 3 and 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So while a of I value is now first term 0. So a of 0 double equal to b of 0. So a of 0 position j is there, b of 0 position j is there. So condition is true. Then that will go inside. Yeah. So at a of I value j is there. So this condition is not true. And b of I, this condition also not true. So what will happen? That will break if statement and increase the value of I. So I become 0 to 1. Then again that will go up and check the condition. So at here this time I value is 1. So a of 1 position a is there, b of 1 position a is there. Both are equal. And at here a of 1 position not to a is there, so that is not true. This one is not true. Then again that will go up and increase the value of I. So I become 2. 2 positions same thing. S is there, S not equal to, sorry, S equal to S, and add here A of I, that is S double equal to uh, blank or null character. So this is not true. Then again that will go up and increase the value of I become 3. Check the condition. A of 3 position O is there, B of 3 position O is there. So A of this is O and this is a null. So this condition is not true, then that will not go inside. Again that will increase the value of I. So I become 4. 4 position, A of 4 position N is there, B of 4 position N is there. That will go inside A of 4 position, null character not. So this is not true. Then again that will go and increase the value of I. So I become 4 to 5. So I become 5. So at here A array size is 25, B array size 25. So this is a here that will store J A S O N, and after that will store on null character or till 25, and the same for B also. So if I become 25 and there are no any value, and also A25 and there are no any array size after that is finished, also that will out from while condition. So control comes to this position. So at here A of I, or this is a start from 0 and that will end from 24. So what we get to at the 24 position on null character, and B of I also will get null character. So that will return 0. Now from here control comes to this position again. So there that will get 0. So flag becomes 0. Now that will go inside and that will print both are equal. And after that, that will take one input from the user getCH function to take one input from keyboard and terminate the output screen. Now this time I'm going to give at here JSON2. So what will happen till 4 that will satisfy the condition. So if that will reach on 5 position, and at here 5 position A of 5 position there 2 is there, 2 and B of I, so null character, null character is there. So what will happen, condition is not true, then that will not go inside of while condition. Now control comes to this position. So at here A of I or equal to null character, so A of I position is now 5 is there, and B of I, so this is a null character. So this condition is true and this condition is false. So if you are using AND operator, if any condition false, then false AND operator true, then all the condition become false. So that will go to the else part. So right here that will return 1. Now again control back to there. So here I will get 1 flag equal to 1. So check the condition, flag equal to 0, that's not true, then that will go to the else part, and at here that will print both are not equal. So this is the driving method of this program. So I hope guys you understand the driving method of this program. So in this session this is over.